me, yeah, I love you. Anything you want, I go do for you. If you love me, yeah, I love you. Anything you want, I go do for you. If you love me, yeah, I love you. Anything you want, I go do for you.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good, good. And your father?
He's splendid.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Najah, a case of interest was reported an hour ago by my own mother. It involves her tenants. I have invited you specially to handle it for me. I want to know who the girls are and what they do. A gunshot was heard this morning in their flat, and a neighbor saw one of the girls putting a corpse into her car and alerted the police. I will get you an intelligent detective to assist you in unraveling this case. A minute. Yeah, see me in my office. So, how are things?
He's fine, sir.
Good. And your station?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Inspector Joe, meet Senior Detective Najah, Special Crime Division.
The pleasure is mine.
Well, you are going to assist her to unravel a case.
Yes, sir. I'll be outside, sir.
Okay.
What is that?
A passbook.
Can I have a look?
Sure.
And what is that?
I think it's a hospital card.
Yvon Johnson. Okay.
What is that?
A passbook.
Can I have a look?
Joe, that's rude.
Can I?
Please get back to work.
Casey, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing here in the first place. I don't even know why I'm on this case. I'm off the case.
Excuse me, Joe. I have not come or pick up this case on my own wish. Neither have I asked you to assist me on it. I have no interest being stuck in some problems. We would have to work together, and I can't help it because this case is for your office.
So what?
Could you please put emotions aside and let's work like two responsible officers?
I cannot work with a ghost or deceptive woman.
Joe! What do you mean?
Ask your dad, he'll tell you.
Look, Joe. You've been very rude to me ever since we met again. The friendliness in you has disappeared into something I can't describe. What is it? I call your house line, you ask me never to call your house again?
Call my house line. Why would you want to speak with my daughter? After your dad and you planned to make a hell out of my life by lying to me that you were dead. The Najah I knew died 5 years back, and I've mourned her for 5 years. How heartless can you be?
Joe. I swear on my life, I don't know what you're talking about. But I see both of us can work together. I'll stay away after the case.
No.
Fine.
Joe! I understand you lost a mother during childbearing.
You were pregnant for me too, weren't you?
Joe, you were playing games with me then, right? You were cheating on me.
What difference does it make? Can we finish while we're here, please?
Joe, we're going to the hospital. We need to see her doctor.
I'm sorry, I can't go to the hospital now. I have unfinished business at the office.
What work?
Don't question me, okay?
Listen, Joe, I'm in charge of this case. You work under me. This is no time for emotions. Obey my orders. We're going to the hospital now.
If Johnson is medically and mentally okay, she has no problems with her health.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I've been her doctor for years, and I can assure you she's fine.
Is it possible she has a doctor that could be attending to a medical need?
It's possible, but certainly not in this hospital. Besides, I had her checked up 2 days ago. If she had any problem, I would have known.
2 days ago?
Yes.
He would have known.
Certainly.
Excuse me.
Okay, doctor. So I'll get back to you in case of anything, okay?
All right.
And make sure,
Yes, how may I help you?
Sir, please, I'm looking for Dr. Kwesi Adams.
Yes, I am Dr. Kwesi Adams.
No, I've been here before and you know the Kwesi Adams I met.
I have been the only Kwesi Adams I've known all my life.
Where were you on Thursday last week between the hours of 12 and 3?
Gentlemen, identify yourself.
Sorry, I'm Inspector Joe from Central Police Station.
Well, Thursdays are usually my off days.
Do you know any patient by name Eve Johnson?
Eve Johnson? No, not on my record.
I have a case with you. I'll be back.
Excuse me.
Doctor, is Eve Johnson pregnant?
She's not.
She's not?
No, she's not.
Thank you.
All right.
I love you. Anything you want.
day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good, good. And your father?
He's splendid.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Najah, a case of interest was reported an hour ago by my own mother. It involves her tenants. I have invited you specially to handle it for me. I want to know who the girls are and what they do. A gunshot was heard this morning in their flat, and a neighbor saw one of the girls putting a corpse into her car and alerted the police. I will get you an intelligent detective to assist you in unraveling this case. A minute. Yeah, see me in my office. So, how are things?
He's fine, sir.
Good. And your station?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Inspector Joe, meet Senior Detective Najah, Special Crime Division.
The pleasure is mine.
Well, you are going to assist.
It's possible losing her this very hour.
Doctor, isn't she too young for a transplantation? What are her chances?
50%. In fact, transplantation is very expensive.
How much?
$300,000.
Gosh, that is expensive.
It is expensive for you. It is expensive for us. Life is expensive. In fact, we need 50% deposit to put your girl's name on the recipient's list.
50%. Okay. I'm losing my daughter, Casey. Yvon is dying.
Take him away.
Foolish boy.
Hello?
Sir, Mr. Kuchumensa, the narcotic head, is on the line.
Put him on. Hello, sir, Inspector Joe.
Hello, Inspector. Yeah, this is Joe Mensa, head of Narcotic Department, Accra. I hear you are in charge of Donald's case. Do you have all the proof required?
I'm still working on the case, sir.
What about the money that was found on him?
Money?
Yes, money. We found out that the money belonged to another drug dealer, Fifi Bay. We need the money to conclude an investigation.
Sir, according to law, the money remains with me until I conclude my investigation and present my evidence in court.
Inspector, don't teach me law. I know the narcotic law better than you do. Just get the cash ready. My men will come for it.
Yes, sir. Doctor, this is $20,000. Put my daughter's name on the list.
Inspector, I told you transplantation is very expensive. $20,000 won't go near it. It can only serve her daily expenses.
Doctor, my daughter is on the verge of dying. Do you know that?
Won't you just say goodbye?
What? Are you out of your mind? Doctor, if it wasn't for the life of my daughter, I swear I'll be a godly man to give you a punch across your face.
Calm down, Joe. Calm down. Doctor, what can you do to save her life?
This hospital is owned by a group of people. I'm just a physician. I don't make policy decisions.
So in other words, you're telling me to take my daughter home and watch her die?
I'm afraid so.
Doctor, records has it that this hospital undertakes 30 to 40 surgeries every year at $300,000 per head. And you just can't do this one in good faith. I swear, Doctor, I promise I'll give you the money.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't help.
Doctor, my daughter is dying upstairs. My daughter is dying upstairs, and all you can say is you can't. I'm not going to bury her, you understand? She is going to bury me. I need you to save her life. I need you to save her life, please. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't help.
Please, Doctor. Save her life. Doctor, please, do something.
I'm very sorry, Inspector Joe. The security you presented cannot guarantee the kind of money you want as loan.
I've been banking with this entity for God knows how long. My child is dying and you cannot help me. MD, I'm not taking no for an answer.
I feel your pain, Inspector.
No! You don't feel any pains. If you feel my pains, you will help me. My child is dying. If you felt what I was feeling, you will not be sitting on her life.
I can't change the bank's policy. I'm sorry, I can't help you.
If only you knew what it felt like to have a 5-year-old child who was dying, and the treatment to her illness is sitting right in front of you, and yet you cannot place your hands on it, then you'll understand. Just pray. Just pray that you don't go through what I am going through. Thank you.
Never seen you smoking, but today, are you smoking under pressure? Or do you think there's something I have to know?
Casey, today I've seen the end of a hero. I've been honored given medals for my integrity and intelligence in my line of duty. I've been honored the best in my profession. God, how the great men fall.
You're talking in riddles. Just tell me what the problem is.
What brings great men down?
Women.
Put me in the list. I've been killed by a woman I thought loved me.
Who?
Eve. Eve Johnson.
Eve Johnson? You had a relationship with her?
Someone is trying to implicate me. She played her way into me, made me believe she loved me, and made me the beneficiary to her life insurance policy.
Joe! But why?
I gave her the drug raid money. And now the narcotics head wants the money for an investigation to be carried out.
You gave her the drug raid money? You gave her the drug raid money? Oh my God. I thought I'm a womanizer. But you've really gone ahead of me. I'm speechless. So what do we do now?
I don't know.
Joe, your plane has crashed and you are drowning in the deep sea of troubles. I guess it's only Najah's boat of love that can rescue you out of this mess. Go and explain everything to her.
Doesn't make any point. She's not going to believe me. I told you I was once involved in a criminal case. And I will investigate this case myself. And if I go to jail, never mind.
You know what your problem is? You're just too secretive.
Casey, I want you to do something for me right away. I want you to go to the MTN office, check for the records of Eve Johnson, and look at the calls she received on Thursday morning between the hours of 9 and 12. Right now. Right away, Casey. Please do it for me right now, okay?
I'll do that for you. But before I do that, you must let Najah know this. Before this whole thing blows out of proportion. You must let her know this.
Najah. Can I still trust you? Can I talk to you?
Go ahead.
You know, you've always been my savior. I just wanted to let you know that I...
Just a second. Hello?
Hello, madam. Appiah from the insurance company.
Connect me.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Detective Najah Bonso on the line. Speak. Who's the beneficiary?
Her fiancé. One Mr. Desmond Parker.
Okay, thanks.
Just a second. Madam, it seems she's changed the beneficiary's name.
Who's the no beneficiary.
Just a second. Let me consult with the processing department. But they would be out for lunch. I'll call back in an hour.
All right, thank you. Yeah, Joe, you were saying something.
Yeah. Najah, you know, sorry. Casey.
Yeah, I've gotten the number. Yeah, booked an appointment to meet up with him at Akura's Papa. There seems to be a serious traffic in town now. So I advise you move, yeah. Move right away.
Thank you.
Alright, all the best.
Najah, I just wanted to congratulate you for such a good job on this case. You know, it's been so long and I've seen how professional you are. Well done.
Thanks. Joe. Are you sure you really came here just to compliment me?
Yeah. See you. This on if I pull the trigger.
Come on, boy.
Where is Eve and the money?
I don't know. She used me.
Where is Eve and the money?
I don't know, boy. I don't know.
Where's your shirt?
Man, I got no shit.
Don't waste my time. Where's your goddamn shirt? I'm taking you to the station now.
Man, I got no shit, okay? Hey, just don't go there.
Sit back. Sit back! Put your shit on.
Easy.
Don't waste my time. Quick!
move.
What have you come to see me for?
Please, take it easy with me. I know my husband is the greatest enemy you have right now.
What do you want?
I need your help.
For what?
Your statement before you shot my husband, I quote, took her pride of womanhood and finally killed her because she promised to expose you today on your wedding ground.
So what's wrong about that?
I'm discovering that I'm living with a man I know nothing about. Please, tell me what you know about my husband.
A wife is supposed to know a husband beyond the eyes. If you have failed in the duty to know your husband before marriage, then you are on your own.
Please, tell me what you know about my husband.
I won't. I will not tell you anything. Not for all the prices in the world. I will face your husband myself when I'm out of jail. I need to go back to my cell. I pity you. I pity you so much. Because your husband is the most dangerous and vicious man in the city. I'll tell you what you want. Your husband doesn't deserve you.
One more question. Do you know any girl by name Eve Johnson?
Yes.
Who is she?
We all, including my little sister, work for your husband. He's a Byron.
What about Inspector Jonathan?
He knows nothing about us. Yvon just used as a pawn to retrieve the drug rate money for your husband.
Could you please describe Eve Johnson for me?
She is tall, fair complexion. She drives a red car.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So what are we going to do next? Tell me, what are we going to do next? I mean, how the hell did he find his hotel room? How?
In my honest opinion, I suggest we turn the boy down.
My problem is not turning the boy down. My headache is how to get my goods and my money. That boy is sitting on my possessions. I am losing money.
Source reveals your wife is in charge of my case.
Shit.
How did you know my wife was investigating you?
I read it in the newspapers.
What's going on here? Why the sudden shock and surprises on your faces?
Because you're very beautiful. I was not expecting you.
I have a reason to come.
At least you could have called.
Must I call before coming to my husband's office?
Respectfully, yes.
I see.
Anyway, why are you here? I hope it's no family issue, because I am not in the mood. Today has been a very bad day, so please, if it's anything concerning the family, let it wait. We'll talk at home, okay?
Can I be let into that?
I have visitors. Let's talk later.
Anyway, do you by chance know any girl by name Eve Johnson?
No. Why do you ask?
I was specially invited to investigate a case concerning her, which begins today. So what do you think you can do to help me?
How are you going to investigate someone you don't even know? Or do you have a picture?
No. Don't worry. It's my job. I'm back to work. See ya.
Right.
Where are you coming from?
I'm on duty.
What is troubling you? Joe, what are you hiding from me?
You want to know what I'm hiding from you? I'm hiding that love that still exists within me. The love you murdered by arranging with your dad that you had died during childbearing. Just to kill my love for you.
You're not telling me what the problem is. Well, I intend to find out. Any information yet? Any calls?
There was a call for Inspector Joe.
Who was it?
Mr. Kojo from the narcotic department. He called. He threatened to come himself and take actions against you.
Okay.
Hello?
Madam,
What's the situation now?
the victim has been murdered in cold blood in front of the hotel, but his two girlfriends are still with us.
Bring them to the station right now. And you, on the Eve Johnson case, call the insurance company now. I need to know about the beneficiary.
Yes, madam.
Good, they're here. Joe! Joe!
Where is Joe? He went to the back door right now. Here, yes.
Where's Inspector Joe? Who amongst you is Inspector Joe?
Can you please tell me what the problem is?
Identify yourself.
I am Senior Detective Najah Bonsu of Special Crime Division, Accra Central.
We need a proof of a drugs money to investigate a case. Why is he withholding it? I smell something fishy.
Just a second, sir. Hello?
Madam, the name of Eve Johnson's beneficiary is Mr. Jonathan Moore.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you still haven't changed?
I'm not guilty of this crime, Najah. I am not guilty. Trust me. Someone is trying to implicate me.
You're giving me pains and more pains itself.
Someone is just trying to implicate me, I swear to God. Just wait a while, let me investigate it and approve my innocence.
You're fumbling. No matter the pains I have to go through, I'll make sure I arrest you. Now tell me, where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Madam, are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Excuse me, ma'am. This Eve Johnson's phone's records was requested.
Thank you. You may leave. My husband's number. God.
Hello? No problem. Listen, get the report, open the safe and give him the money.
Okay. I'll do just that. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Where is my daddy?
Baby, I'm here.
Daddy, look sad. Am I going to die?
No, you're not. I promise. You're here to arrest me.
What's wrong with her?
Her heart failed.
Oh my God, baby.
I'm going to arrest my daddy.
No, my friend.
She's not your friend. She's your daughter.
You said what?
You heard me. She's your biological child.
What did you say, Joe?
Why don't you ask your wealthy father, who threatened me to sign with my life, never for you to know about this development. Shortly not before, I heard that you were dead in his presence by the doctor.
Joe, I never knew you could be a coward. Anyway, I've investigated the case. You're not guilty. Eve was used as a pawn against you to retrieve the drug raid money.
Daddy, is she my mother?
Oh, I wish it would go away. Let me breathe again. My heart is heavy. Oh, this broken dream. It seems so scary.
What's the matter with you?
So I never had a stillbirth after all. is true? Tell me Divine is my daughter.
It's true. I was thinking of how to make amends.
You're a monster, Father. You are a beast. How could you keep such a secret from me? Pretending to be the most loving father. What are you? A devil? I'm just finding out that Divine is my daughter at the point of death. She's lying helplessly at accident clinic, having a heart failure. All thanks to you. Why? Why?
My heart is running away, and evil searching the day. The storm is coming on again. They can try to break our love, but what will be will surely be. I will never be afraid. No, your plots will only cause me pain. My love will never be in vain. Love is never like a game. I believe all the evil you do will haunt you too. Love is back to take your place.
What is it? Her pressure dropped to 40.
My God.
We need a new heart or she dies.
Take mine.
You said?
You heard me. Doctor, take my heart and put it in her.
You can't be serious. It's impossible.
You bet I'm serious. I'm dead serious, doctor. Doctor, take my heart and put it in my child.
Please, madam. You don't understand. You must be dead before we take your heart.
I know. I'll kill myself. Doctor, open me up and take my heart.
Is this love or what? Are you out of your mind?
Call it whatever you want to call it. If someone must die for her to live, I am her mother. I'll kill myself for her to live.
I understand how you feel as a mother, but they just can't take your heart and put in a body. Several critical tests must be carried out to ascertain if both blood tissues are compatible. What if you fail to achieve your objective?
Doctor, I'll do it. We'll both be positive. And our blood matches. Her heart is twice the normal size. That means mine will fit. Do it.
Inspector Joe, sometimes you just have to let go. Be brave. Just say goodbye.
I cannot say goodbye to my daughter. I cannot say goodbye to my daughter. She will say goodbye to me.
what you both are asking for crosses the line.
Who cares? I'm be positive. She's my daughter. Take my heart.
If you kill yourself and make available a matched heart, then I will not let it go waste. Do you want to kill yourself? Get ready for surgery.
Madam, are you sure you want to do this?
Excuse me.
Are you going to allow her to do that?
Of course I won't. I just want to see the power and the strength of your mother's love.
My heart is heavy. Oh, this broken dream. It seems so scary, and my legs are weak. How could I ever lose you? How could true love fail? Oh, I will always love you till the end.
The man you forced me to marry is a killer and a drug baron. Joe, if Johnson works for Jerry, I want you to pick up the case and make sure he goes to jail. Sam, the guy in the cell, will help you with more facts. You can all excuse me. I want to talk to my daughter.
Don't do it, Najah.
Excuse me, Father. I want to talk to the child you denied.
Make sure she doesn't do anything stupid. Come, doctor.
Divine. Divine. Wake up. I want to talk to you. I'm your mother. And I want you to always remember that I love you. I love you so much. Your father also loves you too. I love you, baby.
Mom, stop crying. Just pray for me and I'll be well. I love you.
I'm ready.
I will let you do it.
Doctor, I'm so happy my blood tissue matches with hers. Please, stop my daughter from using her heart. Use mine. Use mine.
We have a match heart. Your father made his available.
Search will never be afraid. No, your plots will only cause me pain. My love will never be in vain. Love is never like a game. I believe all the evil you do will haunt you too. Love is back, back to take your place in my heart. Come back to life. Love is back, back to me. I'm like a general. I am happy now. Love is back, back to be in love with you. Back to me to love you too. Now